Hello, in this video we'll be showing you how to navigate and find information on Library Canvas. To see what digital e-resources are available for you, just simply go to the main menu and click on the Access e-resources icon. As you can see from the Access e-resources page, the e-resources you can access are broken down into 5 different icons: archives, ebooks, journals, media, and training. For example, if you click on the archives icon, you'll be taken to the following page listing what archive e-resources are available for you, providing a brief description about what each e-resource is about and what course each e-resource is useful for. These e-resources are accessible 24/7 for students at the Northwest Regional College. To access one of these e-resources, say for example the American Vogue Archive, simply click on the logo next to the information about the e-resource to be taken to the following page. As you can see on the American Vogue Archive page, you will find 2 guides that will prove useful to you in relation to this e-resource: written guide and visual guide. The written guide will provide written instructions of how to access this e-resource off campus, as well as provide for you a step-by-step process of how to navigate, as well as cite reference from the American Vogue Archive. If you click on the visual guide, you'll be provided the same steps as the written guide on how to access and navigate this e-resource, but in video format. To access this e-resource, in order to use it, simply click on the logo on the top of the page. Back on the main menu on Library Canvas, if you click on the course guides, you'll be taken to the following page where the courses at the Northwest Regional College will be listed in alphabetical order. If you click on one of the courses, say for example Art and Design, you'll be taken to the following page. Most of the course guides on Library Canvas will provide you with 3 sections of information: useful shelf numbers, popular titles, and useful e-resources. Useful shelf numbers will provide you information of where you can locate useful books in relation to your course. Popular titles will provide for you examples of book titles useful for your course you're studying in. Useful e-resources are where you will find a list of digital resources that are useful for this particular course, and you can access these e-resources by simply clicking on their logos. In some course guides, you will notice a 4th section titled Open Access Resources. Here you will find a list of open access journals that are useful for this course that do not require you to sign in or register in order to access them at any time. Back on the main menu on Library Canvas, if you click on the Library Information icon, you'll be taken to the following page where you'll be given 6 icons in relation to the campus libraries. If you click on the Library Induction icon, you'll be taken to the following page where you can find information like how you can access Library Canvas off campus, for example from home, as well as a page leading you to this video in order to learn how to navigate Library Canvas. If you click on the virtual tour icon, you'll be taken to the following page where you can click on any of the campus libraries between Limavady, Strabane and Strand Road, where you'll be given a tour of each campus, showing you where you can find the libraries and what each library contains. Back on the library information page, you can find information such as the Mindfulness Corner, printing information, a price list of stationery that can be purchased at the Strand Road Library, as well as information about student ID cards, such as how you can get them and how you can sync your computer details onto the card for quick access to the printers on campus. Back on the main menu, if you click on the Referencing and Bibliographies icon, you'll be taken to the following page where you will have two links to choose from. Learn a general overview of how to reference books, journals, newspaper icons and website, and learn about Harvard referencing. Back on the main menu, if you click on the Search Library Catalogue, you'll be taken to the following page where you can access the library search engine to find out what books are available for you on each campus library, detailing how many copies of specific books are available, how many are unknown, and on what campus can you find them in. Also worth noting is that the search engine is only accessible whenever you are on campus at the Northwest Regional College.